What's up YouTube, Alexi in the lab here, and we're playing with neon sign transformers and microwave oven transformers, spark gaps, high voltage diodes, and homemade high voltage capacitors. So the setup here I've got, I was just playing with some of the other windings in the microwave oven transformer other than the secondary high voltage and the primary low voltage. I'm not sure what these wires are normally used for. I'm assuming some sort of choke or some sort of tuning coil. So what I've done is put one side to spark gap, which then is connected to another spark gap, pulling off of the secondary of the neon sign transformer. And my thinking is that what I'm trying to do anyways is use the the one phase out of the two from the neon sign transformer to add pulses to the total magnetic flux here, to try to amplify or to at least create an effect on the signal that's picked up on the low side on the primary of this MOT. So what we have on the first phase of that secondary neon sign transformer winding is first off I have the homemade high voltage capacitor, roughly 1.75 nanofarads, connected to a spark gap. And I've just lost here the other side of the connection, which connects to the second phase. So both of the phases, that's the second phase and that's the first phase, connects to the capacitor there. And then there's one nice little spark gap over here. I'm just trying different shapes, so that's what's working right now. And the way I have my neon sign transformer connected, we've got here AC mains coming out through a kilowatt meter, and I'm only using one wire, the hot wire, and I have a ground from a rod from outside coming in, which the MOT is connected to, so it's grounded. The neon sign transformer is connected to it, so it's grounded. And what I've done is the neutral, or the return from the neon sign transformer primary, put to the ground line there, and got that going. Alright, so let's see what happens when you turn it on. So we got the one spark gap, two spark gap, and that's the main spark gap. So these two spark gaps are off of that extra coil over there. That spark gap is off of that guy there. So when I adjust this guy here, I get different. It seems to be different signals. It's almost like tuning. Oh, there you go. Kind of got some nice zing to it. Let me see how that's going. I'm not sure how the sound goes. You might not even be able to hear me talk, but yeah, a little bit there. Oh, just gonna get it in a nice. Well, let's pause this for a sec. So over here we got about 30 volts AC and reading just around 7 to 1000 hertz. It's kind of jiggling right now, but if I short it, it goes up to about 1. It was going out to 4 before. I'm guessing it's just different kind of coils that I'm using are creating different resonances. Anyways, I really don't care to explain. I'm just showing what I'm playing around with. Whee! Alright, that's enough of that. Alright, I also wanted to just show you guys over here. Apparently it's boosting the voltage. The meter thinks it's 148 volts, 150 volts. Uh-oh. Pulling off 400 apparently. And power factor seems to be 100 there, 1.0. Kind of fluctuates depending on how it's set up. So if I short it, oh, jeez Louise. So even the meter here, with only one wire going out, it's still detecting something. Kind of curious. Anyways, that's all for now.